everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Isha, and for today's video, I'll be doing a very simple everyday makeup for Morena. Wala tayong gagamiting foundation and puro drugstore lang yung gagamitin natin makeup. And if you wanna know the makeup that I'll be doing, then please keep on watching. Please don't mind my freshly washed hair. Ayan, sobrang basa pa niya. Pero gagawa tayo ng everyday simple makeup for Morena. Parang get ready with me na rin to kasi alis din ako. Ang una kong gagawin is of course to prime my face at ang gagamitin kong primer na mura lang is the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. For this primer, gusto ko sobrang konti lang yung aking gagamitin kasi medyo madulas siya ng matindi. So, parang nagiging mas oily ako. So, konti lang, nalagay ko lang siya sa center of my face. Kung saan mas malaki yung pores ko. Before I move on to concealing, gagawin muna natin ang ating eyebrows. At ang gagamitin ko is this sleek brow kit in the shade of dark. Kunin ko lang yung wax and apply siya sa tail ng aking kilay. And then, I'll be moving on and applying the powder all over my eyebrows. Moving on to concealer, i-conceal ko lang yung edges ng aking kilay and also my eye bags and some broken capillaries right here with my L'Oreal True Match Foundation Concealer in the shade of W45. For this concealer, it's a tad bit lighter than my skin tone, so it's okay to carve out my kilay and also to brighten up a little bit of my eye bags, and kaya naman niyang takpan yung aking mga imperfections. Then I'm just gonna change up my brush to a mini buffer brush para ma-blend out yung concealer sa under eye area ko. Tapos gusto ko lang mag-add a little bit more para matakpan talaga yung aking super dark under eye area. I'm done concealing yung under eye area ko in some parts, pero hindi ko masyadong pinlakada dahil everyday makeup nga to. Ngayon, isiset ko na siya with a yellow powder. And ito, matagal ko na ginagamit at nilipat ko na siya sa gantong lalagyan para mas maliit. And this is the Fashion 21 Loose Powder. I think this is number 1. It's a yellow undertone. And feeling ko nga parang dupe din siya nung Eliana Cosmetics na mineral foundation. Set ko lang yung under area ko like so. And also the rest of my face. Pero very lightly lang. And just buff it out with a brush. And diba, parang sobrang natural lang niya. At hindi ko na kailangan maglagay ng powder sa neck kasi same color naman. Moving on to bronzer or bringing back the color sa ating face dahil mukha siyang flat at the moment. Gagamitin ko itong Broken Revlon Photo Ready Bronze and Chic. Again, very lightly lang dahil everyday makeup siya. I'm also gonna apply this all over my eyelids para lang mas darker, mas may dimension. And then I'm gonna tightline my upper and lower waterline with this one from Essence, their Kajal pencil in shade of Teddy. Hindi siya black, hindi siya super brown, para siyang chromatic na brown. So it's okay for everyday, hindi siya mukhang over the top na eyeliner. Next up is to curl the lashes and apply mascara. And syempre, ang gagamitin ko mascara is my favorite Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. We're almost done. Just a few more steps. So next is the cheeks. Dapat kanina ko pala ito ginawa because ang gagamitin ko is a ColourTint. This is from Colourette in the shade of Zola kasi for me, para sa Morena, mas back yung mga coral shades rather than pink. So ito, medyo coral shade siya na hindi matingkad. This is a very opaque tint, so be careful kung paano ka maglagay. Dapat medyo konti lang dahil napakakulay niya talaga. Step is highlighting our cheekbones and our nose. At ang nakita kong pinaka-okay na highlight for Morena, mga champagne, mga gold, or mga peachy tones. So for Drugstore, ito, gustong-gusto ko to, the BLK Cosmetics, yung kanilang highlighter. Over the top tong highlighter na to. So dahil everyday, konti lang yung ating i-apply. So that is about it for our everyday Morena makeup. Ayan, sobrang simple lang niya, diba? And medyo fresh, ganyan. like this video, hit the thumbs up button right there and comment down below kung fellow Morena ka rin, just like me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And while you're there, click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Pretty girl.